Welcome to Budapest.
Today, we're venturing through one of the city's most famous Christmas markets by day and night to experience all of the magic Hungary has to offer you. Of course, it wouldn't be complete without a few phenomenal local food recommendations and sights to see while in town. Let's dive in. We're starting off our tour early in the day so that you can see the city come to life once it's dark outside. Even if during the winter time, that means from 4 p.m. forward. As you walk around town, you will quickly notice the incredible architecture surrounding you. Each street is lined with grandiose buildings, one more beautiful than the next. Arriving at St. Stephen's Basilica, you will find yourself in the center of one of the most beautiful and famous Christmas markets in town. It's a sight for the senses, as your eyes will be dazzled by the display of twinkling lights that glimmer no matter the time of day, and your mouth will be watering from the smells of traditional Hungarian foods all around you. If you're looking for something sweet and traditional, I would recommend trying a chimney cake. We split one covered in cinnamon and it was delicious. I'll be taking you to one of the most delicious places in Budapest to try chimney cakes later, so stay tuned. It's important to note that many markets only accept credit cards instead of cash payments, so be sure you come prepared with Apple Pay set up on your phone or a physical card in hand. We shared the ever-popular sour cream and cheese version, and it was so yummy. The freshly fried dough, and I seriously mean fresh, as you can literally see them hand making it in front of you, was truly the best part. It was light and fluffy, yet somehow dense and absolutely delicious. You could easily spend a few hours here soaking up the smells and exploring each individual stall's offerings. We'll be coming back to this market once the sun sets so you can see the sparkling lights in all of their glory. Wander down to the river to see the Hungarian Parliament building.
This building is iconic to Budapest.
And I'm sure if you've seen any photos or videos, you'd recognize this building. If you think it's beautiful during the day, it's definitely worth seeing at night as it's illuminated with a gorgeous yellow glow. Okay, here is the place you have to try chimney cakes from. This one is a bit more thick than the one that we had at the Christmas markets, and it was absolutely amazing. There's a place for you to sit down and enjoy, relax, warm up a little bit in the cold weather. You can pick from a handful of delicious flavors. Sammy ordered a vanilla with hot chocolate, and I opted for getting the cinnamon again, but this time slathered with Nutella on the inside, and it was so good. Also, pro tip, when you're ordering, ask them for a freshly made one, even if this takes a few extra minutes. It's absolutely worth the wait, as you will receive a piping hot chimney cake.
Also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Gabriella, and my best friend and I have been traveling throughout Europe and the UK for the past 3 years after quitting our full-time jobs. It is an honor to share some of our favorite places, travel tips, tricks, and laughs with you, all while helping you plan the best trip abroad too.
If you're interested in more Christmas markets, definitely go check out my playlist, as I have a ton for you to binge on. Thank you so much for being here. Be sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video, and
subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun and informative videos coming your way.
Did I tell you or did I tell you? Many tourists like to take a night cruise on the river to see the Hungarian Parliament building all lit up. You can see so much of it just as great by foot, which is why we opted for this during our short trip. You can make your way almost 360 degrees around the whole building and see it for all its glory. As you make your way back towards St. Stephen's Basilica, you can stumble into other areas of town with Christmas markets and activities, such as the ice skating rink. How fun does this look? If you eat at one restaurant in Budapest, please let it be Tati. This farm-to-table Michelin Star restaurant serves outstanding traditional Hungarian dishes for brunch and dinner. Boasting a variety of vegan options, each plate uses local ingredients that are so fresh. We were completely impressed by the quality of food, the price for what you get, and the atmosphere of Tati. We've already suggested this restaurant to several of our friends that have upcoming trips here. To be sure you can eat a meal here, I would recommend making a reservation on OpenTable to secure your spot. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you have a wonderful holiday season ahead.